What's up everybody, it's Jordan with Lawn Doctor. Today we are here revisiting a lawn that we seeded about 2 months ago now. This lawn has grown in, as you kind of can tell from the weeds and some of the grasses here. Other things have grown in too, which we did expect that with the summer seeding. Now is the time we handle that. Let's take a look at what's going on. We're happy with our overall growth. This was freshly installed here. Once we're looking at things here, we're happy with the overall grass growth. We could see grass, and we planted a Kentucky Blue perennial rye type blend, but we do have a lot of grassy weeds coming up. Crabgrass, we have some nutsedge, we have some broadleaf weeds. We seeded midsummer. We did apply some preventatives, but we expected some weeds, so that is okay. After about 2 mows, we can start to spray the weeds. Yesterday, we sprayed these weeds down. We're gonna do another follow-up, see how that's doing. But a lot of these weeds should be disappearing, dying over the next couple of weeks, therefore allowing that grass to kind of truly take hold, develop, thicken up, and look very, very good. So what helped this lawn come in? One thing is consistency. Consistent feeding, like fertilizer or weed control. The other thing is water. They have an irrigation system. They set it up right. They watered, and that's why we got a lot of grass to come in, especially in a very, very tough, droughty summer. We still got grass to grow. Due to different grass types, conditions of the areas, not every area is gonna fill in right away. You could kind of still see some bare spots here and there. A lot of times this is bluegrass. Bluegrass is going to continue to grow, develop, and open up as it gets bigger into that adult stage. And so we're going to be seeing this lawn thicken up over the next couple of weeks to months. To end of fall, this will be a nice, thick, healthy lawn. So as this lawn continues to mature, it's going to be getting mowed more. It's going to be getting watered a little bit less, going to that fall time frame, and it's going to be getting cared for on the nutritional and weed control side. Like I just said here, we applied our first follow-up application and weed control application to really kind of knock these weeds out, get them taken care of. We'll probably do that 2 to 3 more times this year to really get this thing looking good by fall. We're going to keep checking in on this lawn throughout the process here. This is about 2 months post seeding, you know, midsummer, very tough here in Michigan. They did have irrigation. We planted a perennial rye Kentucky Blue, about a 50-50 grass seed type. We're very happy here. We sprayed it down. We're going to follow up in a couple weeks. We'll see you then. Thanks for watching.